Hello my fellow crafters and welcome back to Inspiration for Cards. My name is David and today I'm going to be making a card with one of my favorite sets of this year holiday season. And it's the Elizabeth Craft Designs Special Christmas set. The classic, it's a complicated name though. It's the Classic Special Christmas Set. I think that's it. But I will link it anyway. I've used this set a lot already this year to make a variation of Christmas cards. This is one of them I made. This one wasn't filmed. But what I did, I've made a background, dyed the front panel, etc. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. This is made with the same set. Here is another two cards that I've made with this set. And I've used the dies that are in there to emboss the snowflakes. On this one you can see it, on this one you can see it slightly better. So I've used the dies to emboss. I've made this one and I've used the front panel you saw as a stencil. There are too many to show, and here's another one, and there's another one, and all different varieties of the same theme, but it shows how versatile, how enormously versatile this set is. And I'm still not done playing with it. That's the fun bit. So today I'm going to be playing with this Elizabeth Craft Designs set again. And I thought I would make it really simple. I'm going to make this card. It's sort of a tone on tone, silver on white. And I've used the front panel to use it as a stencil to put texture paste through. You will see it all in the video that's coming up next. Now, if you like what you see, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will not miss out on any of my future videos. Now, without any further ado, let's dive in and make this beautiful Christmas card. Have fun! So here you can see all the products that I'm going to be using to make this card. And now the star of the show is going to be this Elizabeth Craft Design Classic Christmas set. It's a beautiful set. It's very versatile. I'm going to use it in a different way again today. You will see the results. I'm going to be using the Elizabeth Craft Designs paper for it. I'm going to use the Gina K Layouts Master 3 set to make the base card, etc. So as usual, all the products will be linked in my blog at www.inspirationforcards.com. And now let's go ahead and make this card. So I went ahead and cut everything out with my Gemini machine, and let me see, but I think it all cut out beautifully. So all the elements are cut out now, so we're nearly ready to go. This is what I really like about this Gemini machine. It's the A4 size, so I can really cut out everything I need fairly quickly. Just put all the elements on the mat and it'll cut out in one go. So my bauble has cut out, my thingamabobblies have cut out perfectly. Now I've always cut out 3 so I can use them for the next time. So these are cut out with the Elizabeth Craft Design adhesive on the back, which is really convenient. So these can go to the side, and my front panel has also cut out beautifully. So the last thing is I'm going to cut out this background die from Yupo paper. I hope that will work. Then what will happen is that I have a stencil. I can use it as a stencil, so that's the goal. And what I can see, it has cut out beautifully. Yes, there we go. And because Yupo is a plastic, this has really cut out beautifully. I must say I've used this die quite a lot of times, and with my Big Shot I always had some issues, but Gemini cut it out perfectly. So now this means we can start to put on some texture paste. I'm not going to put on any color, I'm just going to put on some texture paste. So now we have a stencil out of Yupo that we're going to put on this piece of paper. I'm going to try to center this as good as I can. I'm going to put my magnets on to keep it all in place. So I'm going to take my texture paste and this is the transparent gloss version. I'm going to put that through the stencil onto my card base. And this is working really well. Skim and press, skim and press. I've got this scraper and I'm gonna put that over to make sure it's fully exactly alike. Put that in there, close it up, and then I will clean this off in a second. But I want to move quickly because I'm gonna cover this all with the microfine, silk microfine glitter from Elizabeth Craft Design to give it a lot of sparkle. Oh, it's given a nice structure on there. Where am I going to put this? There. Okay. Next I'm going to take my piece of scrap paper and dump my glitter on there. No idea whether this is going to work. I think it will, but you never know. Really dump it on there. Pick it up and yeah, and put this to the side to let it dry. Now this will take a while to dry, so I'm going to put it on a safe spot. It gives me the opportunity to clean my mess up, and then we're going to continue. Okay, next step is I'm going to take my bauble, and I've got some silver and white washi tape, and I just want to give this bauble a bit more interest. I'm just gonna put this on there just to give it a bit more interest and cut it off. There we go. Nice and simple. Put the thingamabobbly on, peel off that backing of that paper, that sticky paper, and stick this on here. So our bauble is already ready to go. Next step is I'm gonna take my Misti and I'm gonna stamp the sentiment. Now the sentiment I want to use is going to be I think I'm going to use this one because that will fit nicely on the round, sending you a little holiday sparkle, which will go well with all the sparkle and glitter we've got going on there. So I'm going to put this on, take my magnet, secure it there, pick it up and stamp it. Now I'm going to use my VersaFine Black Onyx ink to ink that up and press. There we go. Put this to the side. So I'm going to glue these two together. Using my advanced tape glider, I'm going to glue these two together. So this is going to be quite a clean and simple card with just a touch of silver and white and sparkle. And I'm going to be matting it all together on this beautiful silver Tim Holtz paper. I'm going to take a piece of ribbon, put that through my bauble. It's a nice plain silver ribbon. I'm going to tie that into a bow. Just a plain, simple bow. Not too big, not too small. There we go. It's always a bit fiddly with my big hands, but we'll get there. There we go. Pretty bow. Then I'm going to cut these off on an angle. And there we have it. Our pretty bauble to go on the card. Okay, so this has dried beautifully. It's a nice, sparkly, shiny. I don't know if you can see it, if the light will pick it up, but it's really nice and beautiful. There's a bit of a boo-boo there. I don't know what that is. I've tried to get it off, but I couldn't. I don't know. But okay, we'll just pretend that's not there. So yeah, I really like the structure, etc. So we're gonna assemble our cards, our card. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna measure off 2 pieces silver ribbon. So I'm gonna take my advanced tape glider and just above the middle, I'm going to put down some glue. I'm gonna put this one down first. I'm gonna come to the other side and see if it's straight. And fold it to the back. So that's one piece done. Next I'm going to come with another piece of silver ribbon. Put some glue on the back, or tape I should say. Put this down, really press it on there, and then I'm going to make sure it's straight and press. There we have it. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my art glitter glue and I'm going to glue this to the background. Put the glue over the ribbon. Make sure it's all really well adhered. Why am I using glue? Because the panel is slightly warped from the structure paste, so I want that to be really flat on there. And I'm gonna line this up, and this is also the benefit of using glue, because you can really line it up well. I'm gonna take my card panel. I've got a square card panel, pre-folded, and I'm gonna put my ATG gun on the back of my beautiful shiny card base. I'm gonna put this right in the center. Next I'm going to take my backing paper off this bauble, put a little bit of glue here so this will stick to it slightly better. It'll give me a bit of wiggle time. I'm going to put that here. On the card and push it down. So that one's on there. Very pretty. Next I'm going to take some foam tape. I'm going to cut some pieces off. Put this on. Give this a bit of dimension. I'm going to slide that under there and press it on there. There we have it. A very simple card color-wise using the Elizabeth Craft Design Classic Christmas set. Lots of dimension due to the texture paste, lots of sparkle due to the microfine glitter, really pretty glitter, and yeah, the glitter is on there, it's not coming off. So here we have the finished result of this card. I really hope you liked it, and it's another way of using this beautiful Elizabeth Craft Design set. I love it. I really love it. So thank you for watching. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel, and so you will not miss out on any of my future videos. And I will looking forward to see you for the next one. Thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you then. Bye.